Greetings and salutations. I am Eddie Edmonds, and I'm here to provide you with a website free of charge. I hereby promise you that you can have from us a website free of charge. How can we do that, you might ask? And the answer would be our special offer of a website free of charge, no credit card necessary. The reason that we can provide a website that's free of charge is that we here at Wealthy Affiliate are in the website business. We provide websites, the education needed to create and run your tailor-made website, and the expert help you to make your website a prosperous business. Therefore, it is a small thing to provide you with the free website. You may take us up on this offer, and we guarantee that the website will be absolutely free. Pop on in and begin building your free website right now. Begin your journey into prosperity. You will enjoy the difference.